Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix the thumbnail or preview image of your blog post or pages which you shared at the Facebook or other social share sites. For example, you shared your uh, post at the Facebook like this, like I'm sharing it, and you see that here I've shared the URL of my video. Then you can see that there is a thumbnail image, and then there is a URL of that blog post, and then there is a title and there is description. But problem arises that some of the websites that made in the WordPress are not showing the properly this preview image to multiple posts or pages. Some of pages are posts showing properly, but some of the posts or pages are not showing properly. So I'm going to fix it to four methods, and let's move towards the first method. I'm here at my dashboard of my website, and when I'm going to the SEO, I have installed and activated the Yoast SEO plugin, and just go to the SEO and click at the social account. Here you can add your social URLs, social sites URLs, and just move forward towards the clicking at Facebook. Here this should be enabled. You can add the Facebook ID here, Facebook app ID here. If you haven't created the app yet, just comment below. I will create it for you, and you can copy the app ID and paste it here. I have created just a few seconds before. I'm going to copy that app ID and paste it here. This is the app ID. Click to copy. I will click it and just add here. Here is the app ID. Then there is image front page settings. These are the front page settings. Image URL here. Just upload image. Click at upload image and select the image. Use image that and my blog post and these settings. And if you want just default settings, just upload the image here, and you will see the post pages being shared doesn't contain any images. Just save these changes, and when you will share any post or this error message is showing, but don't worry if you haven't created the app ID yet, then this is not the required field. But if these fields are filled, then just test it. And when you will share then post to the Facebook, then the image or preview image will be properly shown there. If still not properly shown there, then the second method that I'm going to share you is that go to the site is developerfacebook.com/tool/debug here, and copy that post which you are going to share and not showing the properly titled image. Then copy that URL of post or page, or you are sharing and not showing properly. Copy that URL and paste it here. This is the localhost. This is my localhost site, but you can add it at your own. Sharing debugger, and when you will be login at the Facebook account, then this URL will be working fine for you. And click at the debug here. Could not scrap URL before the malform, because this is not proper URL. This is the localhost. You'll just copy another URL for any post for the testing. Refresh this page and refresh and just paste here your post address and debug. Click at debug. Warning, that shouldn't be fixed, because just I'm going to show those settings. Here it is showing that the time this post was scrapped 32 minutes ago. You can scrap again here. What this scrap does that, when you click at the scrap, then the cache will be cleared, and when which you have settings of your new Yoast SEO plugins, that will be properly placed at the previous settings. And then this post cache settings will be updated, and the proper image will be shown at when you shared at the mm, social share sites. This was the second method. Let's move toward the third method that I'm going to show you. If still these two methods will not apply, then this third apply the third method that I'm going to share you now. In this third method, I'm going to add the properly metadata in the header sections of the site. Let's add the metadata in the header of my site. Click at the appearance and click at the theme editor. Just scroll bottom and click at the theme header.php. So you can see that metadata is for the character set and the name viewport is showing, but just add meta for the Facebook post image, which will be like this. This org is using for the Facebook, and this image is for the preview image that you are going to show at the Facebook post. This content is the URL of basically the post which you are going to URL of the preview image that you are going to add it here. Let me show you where you get the URL of this. You can see that here is the URL of, just copy it and paste it there in this URL. You will see that this URL will be added in the metadata, and every post when you share at a social share account, then this image will be shown there at the as a thumbnail. Just update the file and image will be properly added. This was the third method. Just move to the fourth method. If these third method is also not working, then you can add the function in the function.php file. Main function is in the function.php file. Here is the theme functions. Click at the theme functions and bottom down this file and just add the here function. I'm going to copy it, this function. I will share this function also in the description. If you want to copy it, then copy from that. Copy this function and copy it here. You can see that image, then post global, which is the global variable post. Here the post does not have featured image, then use the default image and then replace with this is the URL where your image preview image will be stored. In my case, there is the asset folder, then images folder, then there is a there is an image that is placed there. Let me show you where this image is stored. In my case, I'm going to the site where it is placed, www folder and site content themes, and there is assets folder, then there is images folder. Here in this folder I have the image that I'm going to add there at function.php. Here I'm going to add it. Okay, add this function and just update the file. What this function will do, that it will add the default image of the post or the page that you are going to share at any social share account. But this mm, mm, function is only for the Facebook. It is all this function is also adding the metadata here. You can see that image meta property org image, and here is the URL of that image. This URL is thumbnail source, which is at the position 0, and copy that save that file and just update the function. Then you can test it at the social share site. These four methods, hope this one by one you will test it and everything will be fine when you will share your post or page at any social share sites. If you have still any questions or confusions, or if haven't resolved these methods of your functions, then let a comment us below, and I will definitely help you.